Assalamu alaikum dear students. My name is Kashif Ibrahim and this is the second video of our course website development. In this video we will try to understand some basic definitions. In previous video I have described that how you can install a local host web server and how you can install WordPress on it. The purpose of web local host is that if you don't want to spend money on your hosting, to make your website you need three things. One is hosting, one is domain name, and third one is your website. And you have to keep your website on some computer which should be online all the time, that is called web server. For that purpose you have to pay some amount to some company on annual basis, that for hosting. And the second thing is the amount you have to pay for your domain name. Domain name is the name of your website. It is a unique name which is given to your website, and it has to be converted uh, into IP address, and that is the address of that computer where your website is residing. So three things you have to keep in your mind when you are making your website. One is the website, second thing is the web host or web server for which you have to pay amount, and third one is the domain name. At present, because we don't want to spend money and we are learning, we are just practicing, that is why we are not paying any penny for web hosting or domain name. We are just making our own computer as the web host, and we will try to learn some skills on website development. And after learning some skills, we will purchase hosting, and we will purchase some domain for our website. And obviously website we will develop by ourselves. So the formal definition of a website would be: website is a set of related web pages located under a single domain name. A website may consist of one page, or website may consist of a number of pages which are interlinked using hyperlinks or links or buttons. There may be any type of link which may be given to your given on your website, which is connecting your page with the other page. For example, this website, you can see this is the website of City School. It has menus given over here. These are also links. When I click on any of these links, I move on to that page. For example, when I click on this page, this link, it will take me to the next page, which is telling me about the O level of the City School. Similarly, when I click on the logo of the City School, I come on the home page of the website. So the formal definition of a domain is: a domain name or just domain is the human readable name of the website. It is a unique name, mind it. It is resolved into IP address of the web server. IP address means this is the address of that computer where your website is being hosted. Third definition is about the parts of website. Mind it, every website normally has three parts. Not website, every web page. One is the header, and one is the footer, just like in case of MS Word. On MS Word you have seen header and footer, and one is the body of the website, right? This is the body. Normally the header and the footer remain same throughout the website. On every page, on every web page of the website, you will see same header and same footer. For example, when I click on this page about us, you see it has taken me to some other page, but the header is same. The menu of the header is same. Similarly, you can see the footer is also same, right? Similarly, when I click on some other page, for example, when I click on careers, you can see the page is different, the body is different, but header, menu header, and the footer, it is same. So throughout the website, normally the header and footer remain same, and only the contents of the body are changed. If I see some other website, for example, if I see this one, Kinsta, right? On Kinsta, when I click on, for example, plans, you can see header did not change. Similarly, footer is here. This is the footer. When I click on some other page, for example, when I go to the home page, this is the logo of the website. The footer is same. So normally when you go to any website, if we see our website fgs.com.pk, you see this is the header where the name of the school college is written, and this is the footer. When I click on any of the link, for example, when I click on students corner, you see the header did not change and footer is also same, right? So on any of the website, when you go, you will see that the header and footer are same. So every web page has three part: header, footer, and the body part. In the body part, the content is changed. Content may be in different form. Content may be text, content may be pictures, content may be animation, content may be in form of columns, content may be in form of some videos. So it may be in any form and in any layout, but the header and footer of the website will remain same. So this is what I have written here: header and footer remain same, and has menus and links for navigation. Navigation means the way through which you can move from one page of the website to other page. It may be in menus form, it may be in buttons form, or it may be in links form, any form through which you can move. Then come to the next thing, the website color. Mind it, normally every website has some logo, for example this one, right? Similarly, if you see the website of City School, City School also has a logo. Similarly, if you see the website of Kinsta, Kinsta is a web hosting company, it also has a logo. Similarly, when I move to another website, Pro Pakistani is a blog and it also has a logo. All these websites has one thing common: the color of the website is according to the logo of the website. If you see this one, the City School, this is not hard and fast rule, but most of the time this thing is taken care. If you see the logo of the City School, in the logo white, yellow, and this gray color, it is dominant. You can see throughout the website, you will find gray, yellow, and white color. My network is slow. You see, this is the home page, and on the home page, you see the color of the headings. Similarly, you will find yellow color, you will find gray color or same tone. Similarly, here we have a lot of white also, right? and gray and yellow. Okay, similarly, if I see this one, this is the logo of FFC Grammar School and College, and here we have yellow, okay, gray and white. This is the color, and this is the footer. Footer is according to the logo. Similarly, header is also of the same tone, right? So this thing has been taken care. So most of the time, the color of the website, two, three colors are used, which are dominating on the throughout the website, and they are decided according to the color of the logo. So you have to also keep this thing in your mind, whichever website you are going to make, when you make the logo of the website and the colors are chosen, you have to keep this thing in your mind. Rest of the website has to be made, uh, the colors of the website are to be chosen according to the logo of the website. So because you are going to make your own website and you are going to design your own logo, so you have to keep this thing in your mind. And the color of the website remain same normally throughout all the pages of the website. After this, types of website by displaying on different devices. What is this? You know, uh, when you are displaying your website on, you load your website on desktop computer, it is something like this, right? And for example, if the same website you open on your mobile phone, it will be different. How? It would be something like this. This is your mobile phone, this is same website, right? But it is on the mobile phone. You can see this is the hero section of your website, of the city school website, and this is about us heading here, and the content, the text has been centralized, and the button is here. While if you see it on the desktop or on your monitor, the hero section is something like this. Hero section is the main first section of your of website body. Then about us heading is at the right hand side. Here we have a video. On the mobile, the video is being displayed after the text and the button. So you see, this website has adjusted according to the device, right? When you see it on the on monitor, it has some different layout, while when you see it on your mobile phone, it has a different layouts. Contents are same, but it has different layout. It has adjusted itself according to the size of the device. If you see it on tablet, it would be something different. So this kind of website is called responsive websites, right? Responsive websites. Responsive website means the website which has ability to adjust itself according to device. For example, according to monitor or according to mobile phone, right? Similarly, non-responsive websites. Non-responsive websites are those websites which do not adjust themselves and their layout remains same. For example, if we see FFC Grammar School and College old website, then this is the layout of the website where we have a slider. This is called slider, and you see this is changing, right? Changing its pictures one by one. And after that, we have a marquee, scrolling text, horizontal scrolling text. Then we have three columns. In first column, second column, we have a number of quick links, and then we have brief history in third column, and then we have principal message, and then news, and here we have a picture. But if we see the same website on mobile phone, it will remain same, it will not change, It is not changing itself according to the size of the website. While we see, when we see uh, the city school website, it is changing, right? Similarly, if I see, for example, this Kinsta website on mobile phone, it will also be changing. So it means that this is responsive website because it is changing itself, while FFC Grammar School and College website is not responsive website. Minded, the website we are going to make, it will be responsive website because its responsive websites are better as compared to non-responsive website. And WordPress websites have ability to change themselves according to the size of the device on which they are being displayed. So we have to take care of this thing, that we have to set all the elements according to devices, different devices. We have to set elements according to monitor also, and we have to set all the elements of the website according to mobile phone also. And you must keep this thing in your mind. Most of the time the viewers are watching and working on your website through their mobile phones. Next thing which we have to see, this is the type of website by content. Previous point was about the type of the website uh, by display on different devices. See, these are two, responsive and non-responsive. While when you see the type of website by their content, your website may be a home page, your website may be a blog, your website may be a magazine website, your website may be e-commerce website, your website may be CV or portfolio website. Similarly, there it might be a landing page. So let's see one by one what these different terminologies and definitions are. What is a home page? The first page of your website is called home page. Whenever you write the domain name of any website, for example, when I write fgs.com.pk, this is the domain, and when I press enter key, the first page which is displayed on the screen or on the mobile phone, that is called the home page of the website. So you have to decide yourself that which page of the website has to be displayed as the main page or home page of your website. And obviously home page is the is it should be developed in such a way that it should be very attractive, and it should uh, catch the users viewers attention, so that he or she should stay over there for some time and navigate different options and fulfill the purpose for which the website has been made. The next thing is the blog. Website may be blogs also. Every blog is a website. In normal website, normally we don't change content on daily basis. For example, if we see the school website of FFC Grammar School and College, the history of the FGSC obviously will remain same. We are not going to change the principal message on daily basis or weekly basis. So website is not updated on daily basis or weekly basis. It is changed after 10, 15, 20 days, right? Or after a month, whenever we need it. And sometimes website is made in such a way that it is not changed um, even after many months, because the content which is written on the website, that is constant, that is not required to be changed for a longer period of time. While when you see the blog is a kind of website which is updated with new post or article on daily basis, usually on a specific topic. For example, tech blogs, personal blogs, food blogs. The example of blog may be, I have shown you a website that is pro Pakistani. Pro Pakistani is a blog, right, which shows different article on different topics. It has given a number of categories: tech and telecom, business, auto, sports, others. On these different pages, you will find different blogs. For example, when I click on tech and telecom, it will show me a number of articles which are related with technology and telecommunication. Similarly, when I click on business, it will show me posts or articles or blogs which are related with business, right? So similarly, you can also make your own blog, right? Or your own diary. Blog may also be called a diary, which is written on daily basis. You can make your own personal diary, right? Or you can make your own blog related with any specific topic. For example, food blog, for example, tech blog, for example, your daily routine blog, anything. So it's up to you that if you want to make a blog, you can also make it or develop it using the WordPress. Magazine website is also a kind of blog where a magazine can be digitized. For example, if I show you a magazine website, where it has gone, I think I have closed it. Anyways, a magazine website is just like a magazine, right? Magazine is usually in form of a book, right? And uh, it is a stack of pages, but you know that website pages are linked using hyperlinks or buttons. So the this kind of website is also a kind of blog where the magazine is digitized. Now the next thing is e-commerce website. E-commerce website is a kind of website where you want to sell something and you want to generate revenue. So it is a website to make sale or purchase online. And the example, very common example of this kind of website is Daraz, Amazon, Alibaba. And you can see that there are some features of e-commerce website. When you see it, right, you can see e-commerce website has a number of products are being shown, right? And it has product category, plus it has a system through which you can pay money, right? So this system has to be integrated with your website, and you have to learn it how to integrate the payment method with your website. And obviously payment method is not present on every website. It is present only on those websites where you need to pay some amount, where something is being sold, right? So e-commerce website can also be developed by using WordPress content management system. Now the next is CV or portfolio. Before understanding this one, we have to understand what is a landing page. Landing page is a page, you know that I have told you this thing in class also, that when you, there are number of websites which you feel that they are showing you some information and you surprised that why they are offering these services to you and how they are earning money. And I told you that they are earning money by converting their visitors into They are earning money through their visitors. Their visitors are being converted into penny, because if you have a number of visitors coming on your website, you can connect your website with Google AdSense system. In that case, Google will display ad on your website, and when any of the users come and click on any of the ads, just like this Yelp, you can see this is an ad. When user clicks on this page, he will be taken to some other page where he will be displayed some task to be done. You can see this is an ad of a website. This is a listing website. Okay, this is also a type of website. Listing websites are those websites where different businesses can register themselves, and whenever any viewer or user wants any kind of business or any kind of service to be hired, then he can go over there and find that service. For example, if I'm living in New York and I want a technician, electrician for example, so it will show me a number of electricians available near this place. So all the electricians or plumbers or doctors or any kind of service provider can register themselves on Yelp, and common user can go on this website and find the service which he or she requires. This kind of website also can be developed. This is called listing website, right? So what is a landing page? A landing page is a one page website which is displayed as output of a click on an ad on any other website. It is to convince the visitor to perform some task, for example, purchasing some product or filling form, etc. I give you another example. I try to give you another example of landing page. If I find something here, okay. Mm, for example, if I, this is also ad, I think. If I click on this one, no, this is not landing page. I try to find some Google ad. It's not there. Okay, let's click on this one. Let's see what is it. Yes, register domain. When I clicked on, when I clicked on this ad, right? It has been, I have been taken to the page where they want me to register a domain. Registering your domain is the gateway to your presence in digital world. It defines your path for your customers to access you, get in touch with us. Now to register your domain, what you do, okay, if you they are selling domains, right? So this is a landing page of what? Of this ad, right? When you click on this ad, you are taken to another page where they are selling domains, right? So this is called landing page, right? Similarly, when I click on, for example, PTCL ad, when I clicked on PTCL ad, I think I have closed the website. I was taken to this page, Cloud Play, right? And it is showing me some information, right? And it wants me to sign in, right? Sign up. And I have to fill a form here, right? So this is another example of landing page. So landing page website is a one page website most of the time, which is made uh, for the viewers or for the visitor, so that he performs some task, or he fills some form, or he purchase some product. So it is a kind of marketing page. A landing page is a one-page website which is displayed as output of a click on an ad on any other website. It is to convince the visitor to perform some task, for example, purchasing some product or filling form, etc. So these are the basic some definitions which I want you to understand and note down. If you have not understood anything, you can message, write some message over there, right? And you can ask me in class also, face to face. Hopefully you have understood all these definition, and you have the basic understanding about the different parts of the website, about the domain, about how domain is resolved and converted into the address of the web server. What is the color of the website, how you are going to choose the color, and what are the different parts of the web page. So this is the end of today's class. Inshallah, in next class we will try to understand some more some more basics of the website, and then we will move on to the dashboard of the WordPress, where we will see different parts of the WordPress dashboard. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.